Hello children, welcome to Math Part. Let us solve second part of exercise 1A, the chapter 1 GST for class 10 ICSE from the book Concise Selena. So after going through this video, children, if you like it, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. We start with the question 6 now. Find the amount of bill for the following intra-state, that is within the state transaction of goods and services. So for that, let us first find the selling price after the discount. So we have 12,000 is MRP and discount is given as 30%. So 30%, 100 minus 30 is 70. So we find 70% of 12,000. So 70% is 70 by 100. So 12 sevens are 84. And this becomes 84 and 2 zeros, 8,400. Now, this is 15,000 and 20% is the discount. So, 100 minus 20 is 80. So, 15,000 multiplied by 80%. So, 15 8s are, we have 120 and then these two zeros. So, it is 12,000 is the selling price in rupees after discount. Then 9,500 and 30% discount. So 100 minus 30 is 70. So 70 by 100. So simplify 95 times 7. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 7 9s are 63 plus 3 is 66. 6650. So we have 6,650 is the selling price after discount. Now 18,000 and 40%. So 40% means 18,000 into 100 minus 40 is 60. So 60% of that becomes the selling price. So which we have 8 6 48, 4 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 4 10, 108 is 18 6 and 1 and 2 zeros. So it is 10,800. 10,800 is the selling price after discount. Now let us find the total selling price. Let us find the total selling price. So on adding, the total selling price is 37,850. Now, since it is intra-state, we have to find the CGST. Let us find the CGST. So CGST is in percentage is 6%. So 84,000 and 6% of that. So into 6 by 100. So 84 times 6, 6 4s are 24. 2 carry 6 8s are 48 plus 250. 504. So SGST is also going to be 504. So because both are going to be 666%. Here they have mentioned CGST 6%. Now let us find the CGST for the selling price is 12,000. So 12,000 into 9 by 100. So we have 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 9 1s are 9 plus 1, 10, 108 and 0. So it is 1080 is the CGST. So 1080 is SGST 2. Now let us find for 6650 the selling price, and it is 14% is the CGST. So we have 665 this into 1.4. So 665 into 1.4 you can do. So that you get 931. So SGST also 931 again. So now 10,800 and then it is 2.5%. So 2.5 by 100. So let us multiply 108 into 2.5. So 108 into 2.5, you get this as 270. So let us add this all. So 270 plus 931 plus 931 plus 1080 plus 504, you get this as 2,785. Okay, and then same way the SGST is also 2,785. Here it was clearly mentioned CGST. Only GST was given, then we would have done half of this, because the GST together is made up of CGST and SGST when it is intra-state. Okay, now we have got the SGST and CGST. Let us find the amount of bill. So the amount of bill is now the total selling price, which is 37,850. plus 2,785 plus 2,785, which we get this as 43,420 is the total amount of bill. Got it? Let's move on to question number 7 now. Now, for the data above in question 6, find the amount of bill for the interstate transaction. Now, interstate transaction, they have given the CGST over here. So, for interstate transaction, it is going to be only IGST which we have to calculate. So, first find the selling price. Let us find the selling price in rupees. So, which was the same that we had calculated in the previous after the discount. So, this we had got it as 8,400. This was the selling price after the discount is the same that we did in the previous question. Now, since it is interstate, we are going to calculate IGST. So, IGST, since CGST is given as 6%, IGST is always a double of that. So, 12%. Then double of 9 is 18, double of 14 is 28, and double of 2.5 is 5. So, now let us calculate the IGST in rupees. So, it is 8,400 and 12% of that. So into 12 by 100. So which we get as 84 into 12. 84 into 12. It is going to be 1,008. It is a double of SGST and GST that we calculated in the previous question. So same way, it is 12,000 and 18% of that. So let us multiply 120 into 18. So which we get it as 2,160. Now 14, this is 28%. So 6,650 into 28 by 100. So 10 got cancelled. Okay, so you have 28 by 10 becomes 2.8. So we can do 665 into 2.8, which we get it as 1,862. And 5% of 10,800. So 5% is 5 by 100. So 108 times 5. So 108 times 5, we get this as 540. So this is 540. Let us add this all IGST. So adding this IGST, we get this as 1,008 plus 2,160 plus 2,160 plus 1,862 plus 540. So we get this total tax as 5,570. So then the amount of bill is going to be the sum of selling price plus IGST. The selling price is 37,850 plus 5,570. When we add this, 43,420, the same amount of bill, whether it is interstate or intrastate. Okay. So in interstate, we calculate only IGST. In intrastate, we have to calculate CGST and IGST both, because the tax goes to central government as well as to state government. In this case, the tax is going to the central government. Okay, let's move on to question number 8. A dealer in Mumbai supplied some items at the following prices to the dealer in Delhi. Find the total amount of the bill. So the rate per piece is given to you and the quantity in number of pieces. So 180, let us find the, so 180 times 10, we get this as 1,800. 260 times 20 is 5,200. 300 times 30 is 9,300. And 175 times 20, we get 3,500. So this is the total cost. Now the discount is given. For the first item, there is no discount given. And for the second, it is 20%. So let us find the selling price after discount. So this remains the same because no discount is given here. Now here it is 20% discount given. So 5,200 and 100 minus 20 is 80. So 80 by 100. So which we get this as 50, which we get this as 520 times 8. 520 times 8, you get this as 4,160 is the selling price. This remains the same, 9,300, and 3,530% is the discount. So 100 minus 30 is 70. So 70 by 100. So which we get 35 times 7. Let us do. So 350 times 7. You get this as 2,450. So this is the selling price. Now SGST is given to you 9%. So you are given Mumbai, a dealer in Mumbai supplied some items at the following prices to the dealer in Delhi. So it is provided to the dealer in Delhi. Find the total amount of the bill. Now this is the SGST given to you. So here when we are doing, we have to calculate IGST. Okay. So IGST is going to be how much? 9 times 2. This is going to be 18%. This is all, it is going to be 18% and 18%. Right. So what we can do here is we simply calculate the total selling price. Let us do the total selling price. So it is 0. 6 plus 5. 1 minute. Let me erase this portion so that it will easily available. Since it is interstate, so from Mumbai to Delhi, it is going to be IGST. So let us calculate this. So 6 plus 5 is 11, carry 1. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 4, 17, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 9, 15 plus 2, 17. So 17,710 is the total selling price. And on this entire selling price, there is 18% of IGST. So 17,710 multiplied by 18% is IGST. So 18 by 100. So let us simplify. So you get, we can do 1771 into 1.8 because 18 by 10 is 1.8. So 1771 multiplied by 1.8, we get this as 3,187 rupees and 80 paisa. Okay, so this is the tax. Okay, so IGST is given as 18%. This we directly we can find on the total amount that we calculated. So selling price was 17,710. IGST is 3,187 rupees and 80 paisa. So which we get it as 20,897 and 80 paisa. Adding this all is the total amount of bill. Okay, question number 9. National Trading Company Meerut, that is in UP, made the supply of the following goods services to Samarth traders, again Noida, UP. Find the total amount if the rate of GST is 12%. Now here what is given to you? It is UP and UP. So it is intrastate, within the state. Okay. So if it is within the state, so there will be SGST also and CGST also. So the quantity given and MRP in per piece given. So let us find the total cost. So the total cost we will be finding now here, multiplying this 20 times 225, get 4,500, that is in rupees. And 3 threes are 9, so it is 9,600. Then it is 12 threes are 36 and these two zeros. 25 fours are 100 and these two zeros. So it is 10,000 is the MRP. The total cost we have calculated. Let us find the selling price after discount. So our discount is 40%. So 100 minus 40 is 60. This is the easy trick to do. So into 60 by 100. So 45 into 60. Let us do 45 times 60, which we get as 2,700 after discount. Now 30% is the discount. So we will calculate 9,600 and 70% of that. So 70% of that, which we get 96 into 7, 6 sevens are 42, 4 carry, 9 sevens are 63 plus 4, 67 and this 0. So 6,720, 50% discount. So this becomes half of 36, that is 1,800 and 40% discount. So 10,000 and 40% discount. So 60% of 10,000 we will calculate. So which we get as 6 into 100 into 6, we get 6,000. So this is 6,000. So this is the selling price. Let us find the total selling price now. So the total selling price is 17,220 when we add this all. Now GST was 12%. So 6% will go to central government and 6% to state government. So let us calculate 6% of 2,700 into 6% of that. So into 6 by 100. So which we get it as 27 times 6. 27 times 6, we get it as 162. So this is 162. This is also going to be 162. 6,720 and the tax is 6%. So it is 6 by 100 again. So we have 1 0 got cancelled. So let us do 672 into 0.6. So we get 672 into 0.6. 672 into 0.6. We get this as 403 rupees and 20 paisa. So this also becomes 403 and 20 paisa. Now 1800 and the tax is 6% into 6 by 100. So we have 18 6 za, 6 8 za, 48, 4 carry, 6 1 za, 6 plus 4, 10. So it is 108. So here also the tax is 108 now. On 6,000, the 6%. So 6,000 multiplied by 6 by 100. So 6 6 are 36. So 360 is the tax here and 360. So let us add this all tax. So we have 162 plus 403 rupees and 20 paisa plus 108 plus 360, which we get it as 1,033 rupees and 20 paisa. Same here, 1,033 and 20 paisa is the SGST. Now the amount of bill is adding these taxes together. So 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 0. So 2066.40 is the tax. So the amount of bill is the total selling price, which is 17,220 plus the tax SGST plus CGST, which is 2,066 and 40 paisa. The total bill is 19,286 and 40 paisa. So within the state, we need to find CGST and SGST both. Let us go for question number 10. Mr. Ram, that is Ram Traders in Delhi provide the following services to Miss Geeta Trading Company in Agra, UP. Find the amount of bill. So the number of services and the cost of each service is given. So let us find the total cost for the services because the number of services are given. So 8 times 680, we get 5,440. 12 times 320 is 3,840. 10,000, 10 times 260 is 2,600. 16 times 420 is 6,720. The total cost is 18,600. And this is the GST given to you. Let us calculate IGST in rupees because it is Delhi. Delhi provided the services to the trading company in UP. So find the amount of bill. So IGST, let us find in rupees because GST is given as 5%. So let us calculate the GST in rupees. So 5%. So it is 5,440 into 5 by 100. So this is 5 ones are and 5 twos are 544 divided by 2. 544 divided by 2, you get 272 rupees is the IGST here. Then 3,840. The tax is different for different services. So into 12 by 100. So which we get is as, let us do 384 into 1.2. So we do 384 into 1.2 because 12 divided by 10 is 1.2. So which we get it as 460 rupees and 80 paisa. Then we have 2,600 and the GST is 18%. So 18 by 100. So just multiply 26 times 18. So we have 26 times 18, we get 468. 468. Now 6,720 and 12%. So 12 by 100. So this is okay. Again 672 into 1.2 because 12 by 10 is 1.2. So we get 806 rupees and 40 paisa. Okay. So let us add all the tax together. So it is 806.40 plus 468 plus 460 rupees and 80 paisa plus 272, which we get it as 2,007.20. Okay. So the total bill is going to be selling price plus IGST, which is 18,600 plus 207 rupees and 20 paisa, which we get it as rupees 20,607 and 20 paisa. So in Delhi, then we are going to charge IGST over there. Got it? When you have to find the bill for the following data, not specified whether it is within state or in interstate. So straight we will be calculating GST on whatever given total GST. Okay. So let a rate per piece is given and number of pieces. So let us find the total cost for each item. So for each item, the total cost 18 times 360 is 6,480. 12 times 480 is 5,760. 12 times 120 is 1,440. 12 times 150 is 4,200. Now discount is given. So let us find the selling price. So 6,480 into 10% is discount. So we'll find 80, 10 minus, sorry, 100 minus 10 is 90, 90 by 100. So let us do 648 into 9. So doing 648 into 9, we get this as 5,832 when 10% discount is there for first one. For the second case, it is 5,760 is the cost and the discount is 20%. 100 minus 20 is 80. So 80 by 100. So let us do 576 times 8. So 576 times 8, we get this as 4,608 is the selling price for the second one. For the third case, it is 1,440 and 5% discount. So 5% discount, 100 minus 5 is 95. So 95 by 100. So let us do 144 into 9.5. 144 into 9.5, which we get is as 1,368 after 5% discount. 4,200 and 20% discount. So 100 minus 20 is 80. So 80 by 100. So which we get now 420 times 8. So we do 420 times 8. We get 3,000. 360 is the selling price. Now let us calculate GST on this. So GST on each item is different. So we'll have to calculate this. So let us find GST. Put the additional column for GST in rupees. So we have 5,832 and GST is 12%. So into 12 by 100. So let us do 5,832 into 0.12. That becomes easy. Okay. Multiplication is always easier than division. So 12 by 100 is 0.12. So we can just do 5,832 into 0.12. So we have a 5,832 into 0.12. We get 699.84. 699.84 is the GST. For the second case, it is 18%. So 4,608 into 0.8, 0.18 we can do, it is 18%. So 4,608 into 0.18, 18% GST, which we get it as 829 rupees and 44 paisa. For the next, it is 1368. 1368 into 1368, sorry, 1368 into 12%, so 0.12. So let us do 1368 into 0.12 for 12%. So which is 1368.12, which we get it as 164 rupees and 16 paisa is the GST in rupees. For the last case it is 3,360 and 28% GST. So 28 by 100. So we get this as 336 into 2.8. So we do 336 into 2.8, which we get it as 940 rupees and 80 paisa. Okay. So now let us make a bill. The amount of bill is total selling price plus GST. So total selling price, when we add, we are getting this as 15,168 rupees. And GST on adding, we get this as 2,634 rupees and 24 paise, which we get it as 17,802 rupees and 24 paisa is the total bill. Remember, when GST is specified and nothing is specified there, which state, interstate or whatever, we are directly calculating the total GST, whatever is given on each item. The tax invoice of a telecom service is providing in Meerut shows the cost of services provided by it as rupees 750. Cost of services. Okay, if the GST rate is 18%, find the amount of bill. So here you are asked to find the total amount of bill. So we are given GST is 18% of services provided by it as 750. So GST is 18% of 750. So 18% of 750 when we calculate, so 18% is 18 by 100 times 750, which we get it as when we do 75 into 1.8 gives 135 rupees is the tax. The amount of bill is going to be 750 plus the tax on that, which is rupees 885. So these questions are easy, children. Question number 13, Pankaj took health insurance policy for his family and paid rupees 900 as SGST. So 900 as SGST. So CGST, SGST, if SGST is 900, then CGST is also 900. So total it becomes 1800. Okay. So let us calculate 18% of X is SGST plus CGST, which is 1800. So 18% of X, that is 18 upon 100 times X is equal to 1800. So which we get it as X is equal to 1800 into 100 by 18. So 100 into 100 is 10,000. So 10,000 rupees is the amount of the premium. So this is the amount. And the additional he has to pay plus 1800 as a tax. Plus 1800 is a tax that he has to pay. So the total premium, annual premium that he pays is 10,000 plus 1800, which is 11,800. Got it? Okay, moving to question number 14. Mr. Malik went on a tour to Goa. He took a room in a hotel for 2 days at the rate of rupees 5,000 per day. On the same day, his friend John also joined him. Hotel provided an extra bed charging rupees 1,000 per day for a bed. How much GST at the rate of 28% is charged by the hotel in the bill to Mr. Malik for both the days? Okay, so the amount of bill is the cost of hotel room into number of days plus additional bed charges for 2 days. So it is a hotel room for per day, it is 5,000. So 5,000 times 2, and bed charges for 2 days extra bed since his friend has joined. 1,000 plus 1,000. So 5,000 into 2, we get 10,000 plus this 2,000, which is 12,000 is the amount that he has to pay. Now, on this, the tax is there 28%. So 28% of 12,000. So it is 28 by 100 into 12,000. So which we get it as 28 times 12. So let us do 28 times 12, that we get it as rupees 3,360. So rupees 3,360 is the GST that he has to pay. Okay, so how much GST at the 28%? Got it? So you have to find the total amount of bill and on that the GST 28%. So the GST charged by the hotel in the bill to Mr. Malik is rupees 3,360. Last question of today's video and exercise 1A. Asharaf went to see a movie. He wanted to purchase a movie ticket for rupees 80. As the ticket for rupees 80 was not available, he purchased a ticket for rupees 120 of upper class. How much extra GST did he pay for the ticket? So GST for ticket below 100 is 18% and for above 100 it is 28%. So let us calculate this. From the question we have GST of rupees 80 is 18% of 80, which is 18 by 100 times 80. So which we get it as 14 rupees and 40 paisa, 14 rupees and 40 paisa. Then the GST on the ticket of rupees 120 is 28% of 120. So 28 by 100 times 120. So simplifying this, 12 times 2.8, which we get it as rupees 33 and 60 paisa is the GST on this ticket. So it is asked how much extra GST did he pay? So we need to just take the difference between these two. So difference between two GST, that is 33 rupees 60 paisa minus 14 rupees 40 paisa is 19 rupees 20 paisa. Thus, Mr. Ashraf has to pay extra rupees 19 and 20 paisa for purchasing a ticket of upper class. Got it? So thus we have done with the entire exercise of 1A, children. Soon coming up with 1B. If you like the video, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.